Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Wollensak 8055. Excuse me. This comes from Dave in Ravenna, Ohio, and Dave has sent his Wollensak in for the usual motor replacement. On most of your Wollensak and Akai machines, the motor has a pretty high failure rate, so most of these machines are sent in for a new motor, and my new motor is adjustable speed, so if the speed should drift over the years, the customer can actually get in there and readjust the speed to his liking. So let's go ahead and pop a tape in, make sure it plays correctly before we send it back.
The star-spangled world when your flags are on the train or chugging down the road. Honey, you know that I'm gonna know the answer to my prayer. Yeah, that means wake up and live. Take it to the blue. And we'll settle down in the
Okay, now we'll make sure the auto eject works and that it dampens the thing. It tape shot out like a cannon before. Let's see how it does now. Okay, eject. And there we go. It doesn't shoot out like a cannon anymore. It catches onto it. So that takes care of that. And she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to pack this puppy and hit FedEx. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Just click on the link. It'll take you right to my website. And off the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all listed in the work order, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone if you would like to call me. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Dave, for your business all the way from Ravenna, Ohio, and we'll see you guys next time.